Recap of alphabet letters and phonic sounds. Popcorn says, let's know your phonics. Do you know all alphabets have different sounds? When we listen to some words, we listen different sounds together. So now, let's see what each alphabet says. This is letter A. It says A as in ant, A as in apple, A as in X. Let's meet letter B. Its sound is B as in box, B as in ball, B as in bell. Now it's letter C. It says K as in cake, K as in candle, K as in cat. It's letter D. It says D as in duck, D as in dog, D as in doll. Let's meet letter E. Its sound is A as in egg, A as in elephant, A as in engine. Now letter F. It says F as in fish, F as in fan, F as in fork. It's letter G. It says G as in gate, G as in goat, G as in girl. This is letter H. It says H as in hen, H as in horn, H as in hat. Meet letter I. It says E as in inkpot, E as in igloo, E as in insect. Now letter J. Its sound is J as in jar, J as in jam, J as in joker. Now letter K. It says K as in key, K as in kite, K as in king. This is letter L. It says L as in leg, L as in log, L as in lock. It's letter M. It says M as in mat, M as in mango, M as in moon. Now letter N. Its sound is N as in net, N as in nest, N as in nut. It's letter O. It says A as in octopus, A as in oval, A as in orange. It's letter P. It says P as in pin, P as in parrot, P as in potato. Let's meet letter Q. Do you know Q and U are best friends? So, U always follows Q. And together they says Qu as in quill, Qu as in quilt, Qu as in queen. Now letter R. It says R as in ring, R as in rat, R as in rabbit. This is letter S. Its sound is S as in seal, S as in soap, S as in sun. It's letter T. It says T as in turtle, T as in telephone, T as in tub. This is letter U. It says A as in umbrella, A as in up arrow, A as in uncle. Now letter V. Its sound is V as in vase, V as in van, V as in vulture. It's letter W. It says V as in watermelon, V as in wagon, V as in watch. It's letter X. It says X as in ox, X as in fox, X as in box. This is letter Y. Its sound is Y as in yarn, Y as in yak, Y as in yo-yo. It's letter Z. It says Z as in zip, Z as in zebra, Z as in zero. Let's learn some more sounds. Some letters have more than one sounds. They are kind of naughty letters. Like letter C says S as in city, rice and prince. Letter G says J as in page, giraffe and gem. Letter I says I as in ice and ice cream. Letter U says U as in use, unicorn and uniform. Popcorn shares some facts. Do you know? Q and U are the best friends. They never leave each other. Q is always followed by U, like queen and quill. X is mostly the ending sound in the words, like mix, six. R can have long sound as in car and control sound as in girl.